Hi, this is Kevin from sonofert.com. I want to demonstrate for you today the technique for installing and using Autotune in Audacity. There's a lot to go through, so I'm going to go through it fairly quickly. Now, Autotune comes from Antares and is a VST plugin which can be used with a wide variety of software. The plugin can be downloaded from this website, antarestech.com. The version I'm going to be using today is Autotune Evo, and I think it's downloaded as a fully functioning demo. The demo is limited to 10 days only. Yeah, there's always a catch, isn't there? But I guess if you like it, you can buy the full product. Now, as well as downloading the demo, you can download product manuals. There are also tutorial videos. I would strongly recommend getting the product manual and having a look through that before actually installing the software. There's a heck of a lot of detail to go through, and it really is quite useful. Now, the recording I'm going to be using is Sherlock Holmes. I'm going to be using one of the human-read Sherlock Holmes stories from the Project Gutenberg database. Once you've downloaded the software, what you've got to do is to install it. There's an executable file that you get, and once you install it, you should get. I'm using Windows XP Professional, by the way, and what I got on my system after I installed it was in the program files VST Plugins folder. I got the Autotune Evo VST library. You might find to use it with Audacity, you need to copy it to the Audacity folder. To copy it to the Audacity folder, all you do is just find the version of Audacity you've got installed. I've got two versions installed, 1.3 and 1.2. This is the plugins directory for the 1.3 beta, which I'm going to be using for this demonstration. Now, once you're in Audacity, the plugin is going to be available under the Effect menu. This is the sample I've taken, and this is the result that I produced. I'm just going to play both of them back, and we'll see what that sounds like. This is the original.
A Study in Scarlet by Arthur Conan Doyle. Part 1. Chapter 1. Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
And this is the altered.
A Study in Scarlet by Arthur Conan Doyle. Part 1. Chapter 1. Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Now, as you can see with the auto-tuned version, what I've done is made it into a stereo file and used two slightly different versions of the same of the same process to create a slightly different effect in each channel. I've also added a bit of reverb to one of the channels, and I've also taken out a bit of some of the silences. I've reduced them in order to improve the flow of the recording. Another thing I wanted to do was to change the tempo towards the end there. I can use the change tempo effect, and that should produce a pleasing result. I'm just going to play that again.
A Study in Scarlet by Arthur Conan Doyle. Part 1. Chapter 1. Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Now that is the effect that I was looking for. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how I got from this original recording to this.